started this call. You mentioned this new drug that's out there, and what's the name of it again?
Xylazine. It's being mixed into most of the fentanyl that we're seeing on the street. We're seeing a lot of fentanyl. It's probably three-quarters of our overdose deaths, and
That's crazy.
recently about 90% of the fentanyl that's coming in is cross-contaminated with this animal tranquilizer. It's called xylazine. We don't have a good way to test for it in the street. The problem with xylazine is it extends the duration of fentanyl. That's one factor. It works adjacent to fentanyl. It works on a different receptor, so it makes fentanyl last longer. But the other problem is
Wow.
it's not reversible. So I can't give you Narcan, which I could if you had overdosed on fentanyl. I could give you an antagonist and turn it off and possibly rescue you. Well, with xylazine, I can't do that because we don't have an antagonist for xylazine.
Huh.
And the thing is that most people don't even recognize that they're getting xylazine. And in fact, the majority of fentanyl overdosages are not because people are intentionally overdosing on fentanyl. There's two factors here. One is they're getting it in something that they don't know. So they're buying XYZ drug. They think they're buying marijuana, and some idiot street dealer has cut their marijuana or their cocaine or their methamphetamine with fentanyl. And because micrograms kill, and because they don't practice good manufacturing, and they're not testing their product, and they don't know what the concentration is, they're inadvertently causing overdosages, and people are inadvertently overdosing and dying. And
How
so
can
that's an issue.